voelen. Sometimes it's reflexive, sometimes it's not. How does it work? Voelen is reflexive when we use it with an adjective after. Ik voel me goed. Ik voel me misselijk. I feel nauseous. Ik voel me boos, for instance. All of these adjectives. It's not reflexive when we use a noun after it. So for instance, ik voel boosheid. I feel anger. Ik voel blijdschap. I feel happiness. Ik voel misselijkheid. I feel nausea. So, it is reflexive with an adjective. It's not reflexive with a noun after. We use the one with the adjective way more often, so the reflexive form. Because I feel anger sounds oddly objective, like you're at your psychologist or something. But instead of using the adjective version, you could also simply say, ik ben blij, ik ben boos, ik ben misselijk. The ik ben version is even easier. Let me know if that was helpful and follow me.